Hello kids, good morning all of you. How are you? I hope you all are good and safe at home. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we are doing the theme that is neighborhood, and our today's topic is my neighborhood. Students, you know about neighborhood? Neighborhood means our surroundings. People lives in our surroundings, and also various shops are there like grocery shop, medical shop, footwear, garments and many more places near our houses like hospitals, restaurants, post offices, gurdwaras, etc. If people wants to buy anything, then they easily go there and buy their products or things. We can spend time happily with the people living in our surroundings. Okay. Now, students, after this, I am going to recite a rhyme that is my neighborhood. All around the neighborhood, the people help each other. All around the neighborhood, people help each other. The driver on the bus help a girl and her mother. The driver on the bus help a girl and her mother. The girl and her mother see the baker for a treat. The girl and her mother see the baker for a treat. The baker gives a letter to the postman down the street. The baker gives a letter to the postman down the street. The postman asks the barber to trim his mustaches. The postman asked the barber to trim his mustaches. The barber sweep the hair up and put out all the trash. The barber sweep the hair up and put out all the trash. The trash collector stops when a fire engine rings its bell. The trash collector stops when a fire engine rings its bell. Firefighters join the good police who make sure all is well. Firefighters join the good police who make sure all is well. All around the neighborhood there is lots that people do. All around the neighborhood there are lots you do too. All around the neighborhood there is lots that people do. All around the neighborhood who helps you. Okay, students, after reciting this rhyme, now you take a short round around your neighborhood with your parents. And students, you also notice the people lives around you and buildings and vehicles. Students, when you go on a round, then you also notice the different sounds like sounds of vehicles like bus, car, motorcycle, scooty, etc. And after this, you talk about anything you want that you like the most in your neighborhood. Okay, firstly take a short round and notice all the things around your neighborhood, and after that you also hear the sound of different vehicles. Then you talk about anything that you like the most in your neighborhood. Either it is any building, park, garden, anything that you like, you talk about that. Now, students, I show you the flashcards of various things that we find in our neighborhood, and you tell your parents if we want that thing, then where we go and buy that thing. First one is medicines. If we want to buy a medicine, then we go to which shop? If we want to buy a fruit, then we go to. If we want to buy a dress, then we go to which shop and buy this dress. If we want to see the trees, then we go to the. Students, you tell these things and places to your parents. Okay. Now open page number 9 of your I Can Explorer book number 4. In this picture you see a school, post office and garden. Circle the things that does not belong to these places. Okay. On the right side you see some things, and on the left side you see school, post office and garden. You have to circle only that things that do not belong to these places. Okay. After this, now I am going to recite a rhyme, that is rhyme on letter P. Students, you also learn this rhyme from my study year app. P, a pretty proud parrot. P is pretty proud parrot pecking a peppercorn. P is pretty proud parrot pecking a peppercorn. Pecking and pecking it, pecking till it is torn. Pecking and pecking it, pecking till it is torn. P is pretty proud parrot. P is pretty proud parrot. Now after this, students, you take a sheet of paper, and on this sheet you write the letter P with the help of pencil. And after writing this letter, you decorate this letter P with the help of pencil shaving. Okay, like this you make a letter P with the help of pencil shaving. Now open page number 10 of your I Can Explorer book number 4. Here you see the letter P. P is for penguin, P is for parrot, and P is for pencil. Firstly, students, you trace the letter capital P, and after that write the capital P without tracing. Now move forward to the next page of your same book. You see various things like eraser, cake, peacock, spoon, pencil, soap, pumpkin, monkey, dress, post office. Students, you have to tick only that those starts with letter P. Okay, I repeat it again. Students, you see various things. From these things you only tick that one those start with letter P. Now open your workbook and open page number 18 and 44. On page number 18 you see the letter capital P, and on page number 44 you see the letter small p. Firstly, trace the capital P and small p, and after that write both capital P and small p without tracing. Okay, students. Now your homework is to do page number 9, 10 and 11 of your I Can Explorer book number 4, and also make the letter P with the help of pencil shaving, and do the workbook pages, that is 18 and 44. Okay, students, thank you. Have a bright